Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to draw smiley face in MS Word. So this is very easy and simple method to draw this smiley face in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. So click on it insert. Now need to click on shapes and here you see this smiley face. So find this smiley face and click on it. And now need to draw this smiley face. I need to draw this straight smiley face, so press shift and draw it. So you see this smiley face will be draw and you can customize it. So double click on it and you see this format. So now here you customize this smiley face, like change the color. So theme color will be changed. You see this red, blue and black, and this white, and you can give effect. You see this, you can easily give this effect. So this way you can very easily draw this smiley face in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.